Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Land Rover Defender, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. The 2026 Land Rover Defender arrives as a definitive statement in automotive engineering, a vehicle that refuses to compromise between its rugged heritage and a future defined by high-performance electrification and sophisticated digital integration. From the first glance, the design language remains unmistakably iconic, preserving the boxy, purposeful silhouette that has defined the brand for decades, yet it has been refined with a seamless, aerodynamic precision that speaks to a modern era of luxury. The signature Alpine windows and side-hinged tailgate are present, but they are now complemented by flush glazing and a striking new matrix LED lighting system that pierces through the darkest trails with surgical accuracy. Under the hood, the performance capabilities have been elevated to a staggering level, featuring a next-generation plug-in hybrid powertrain and a fully electric variant that delivers instantaneous torque, allowing this beast to conquer vertical inclines and deep water crossings with eerie silence and effortless strength. The air suspension has been recalibrated to provide a magic carpet ride on the highway while offering industry-leading ground clearance for the most demanding off-road excursions. Stepping inside the cabin, the interior is a masterclass in functional opulence where durable, sustainable materials meet high-end craftsmanship. The 2026 model introduces a panoramic curved display that houses the latest Pivi Pro 4 infotainment system, a platform so intuitive it feels like an extension of the driver's own intent, offering real-time 3D mapping and transparent hood technology that makes the ground beneath the wheels visible on screen. Every surface is tactile and intentionally placed, from the exposed structural magnesium cross-car beam to the deep pile carpets and vegan leather upholstery that can withstand the elements, without losing its premium feel. The driving experience is transformative, characterized by a steering response that is surprisingly sharp for a vehicle of its stature and a suite of driver assistance technologies that provide a safety cocoon without intruding on the raw joy of the drive. Whether you are navigating the tight, neon-lit corners of a metropolitan city or forging a path through the uncharted wilderness, the Defender communicates a sense of invincibility that few other vehicles can replicate. It is a machine that feels alive, adapting its drivetrain and dampers in milliseconds to match the terrain, ensuring that whether you are on gravel, snow, or smooth asphalt, the power delivery remains relentless and smooth. This is more than just a car. It is a tool for exploration, a sanctuary of technology, and a monument to power, proving that the legend of the Defender is not just alive, but is leading the charge into a new decade of adventure. The 2026 Land Rover Defender doesn't just meet the high standards of its predecessors, it sets a new benchmark for what an all-terrain vehicle can be, blending the soul of an explorer with the brain of a supercomputer to create the ultimate driving machine for those who refuse to be told where the road ends.